Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. IUPAC nomenclature of aldehydes with substituents requires identifying the longest carbon chain that includes the aldehyde ChO group, numbering from the aldehyde carbon as C1 and naming substituents with their positions. Moving on to the next step. Identify the structure. The compound is CH3CH OCH3 ChO. The structure has a methoxy group, OCH3, on the middle carbon, indicated by the dashed bond shown above the CH in the image. Moving on to the next step. Identify the principal characteristic group. The ChO aldehyde group is the principal characteristic group and gets the suffix -al. And for the final step, select the parent chain. The longest chain containing the ChO group is 3 carbons, ChO CH3, giving the parent name propanol. Number the chain. The aldehyde carbon is C1, it must be. The middle carbon bearing the methoxy group is C2 and the terminal methyl is C3. Name the substituent. The OCH3 group is methoxy, located at C2. Assemble the name. The name is to methoxypropanol. Why other options fail? A. 1-formyl 1-methoxyethane. Incorrect style. Formyl as a prefix is used only when the ChO is not part of the principal chain and the locant parent are wrong. B. 2-methoxypropane 3-1. 1 suffix indicates a ketone. This compound is an aldehyde, not a ketone. D. 2-methoxypropane 3-al. Incorrect. The aldehyde carbon must be C1, not C3. The locant 3-al violates the rule that the principal characteristic group gets the lowest possible locant. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.